So let's see the installation of Tailwind CSS in React app. So for doing so, what we have to do, we have to follow these steps. So firstly, I created React app by following the command. So I already did this, npx create React app my project. After doing that, I have to move to my project directory. So now I move to my project directory. After that, what we have to do, we have to write this command. Okay, npm install -c Tailwind CSS. After doing that, what we have to do, we have to initialize Tailwind CSS. So let's do that. After doing this, we will have one tailwind.config.js file inside this. So we are having this. So what we have to do next, we have to paste this code inside that file. So just paste that. Then we are having one more file, the file name index.css. Again, we have to paste this code inside that file. Index.css, we can see here, index.css. Okay. Then what I have to do, I have to start. npm start. So see, we are having React app that has been created. So let's see that Tailwind CSS has been installed in our project or not. So for confirming that, what we have to do, we have to check by putting like h1. Let's check with h1. Hello there. So here we can see hello there. And how we are showing that the Tailwind has been installed in our React app. See, if we are writing h1 in normal project now, so that would be a heading, main heading. So we can see the font size of the text would be quite high. But in Tailwind CSS, it removes all the default CSS, whatever we are having earlier. So it means the Tailwind has been installed in our project. Let's check with writing some command. Like if I'm writing class name and I'm putting bg red 500. So see, now I have put bg red 500. So background color should be red and its opacity should be 500. It means Tailwind has been installed in React app. This is the process how we can install Tailwind CSS in our React project. Thank you. I hope you understand.